Hi Calibre! I created a thumbnail of this video using MS Word, and I will show you 3 simple ways on how to convert it into an image or JPEG file. The first way is to use the Paint application. To do this, open your Word file, then on your keyboard, press the print screen command. Please note that the print screen command varies depending on your PC's keyboard layout. Then open your Paint application. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+V keys to paste the image. Click the rectangular selection shape button. Then hold and drag to select the image. Click Crop. Now go to the File menu, click Save As, choose JPEG Picture, choose your file destination, type the file name, and finally click on the Save button. And that's it. That's the first way on how to make your doc file or MS Word file into an image or JPEG file. The second way is to use the Save as Picture option of the MS Word. This option is a tricky one, so you have to follow one by one the steps on this video. Once again, open your MS Word document. Then on your keyboard, press Ctrl+8 to select all items on your window. And press Ctrl+C to copy. Then go to the File menu and open a new blank document. Changing the page size is not necessary, as it will not contribute anything in saving the file as JPEG. So you can just disregard this step. Now on the Home tab, click the Paste Special option, choose the Picture Enhanced Meta file, and then click OK. Now right-click on the image and choose Save as Picture. Choose the file destination, choose JPEG file interchange format type, type the file name, and then click on the Save button. There you go. So that's your second option on how to save your MS Word file into a JPEG format. Another way to convert your doc file is to go in your browser and search for the free online PDF to JPEG converter. Actually, you can convert doc file to JPEG directly, but the problem is that your design will be disoriented, like if you use a font style that is not bundled to MS Word. To avoid this, you have to save first a doc file into PDF. I am currently using MS Office 2016, so there's already an option to save the file as PDF, and we will be using this option. After saving a copy of the file into PDF, now you can go to your browser and search for PDF to JPEG converter. In the search result, I choose PDF to JPEG.net because I found the design of this website simple and straightforward. Now after arriving on the website, scroll down and look for the Choose a PDF file button and locate your PDF file. You can choose among the given JPEG quality option as you like. Then click on the Convert PDF to JPEG button. Once the uploading is finished, you can now click Download. there you have it. These are the 3 simple ways on how you can convert your MS Word file into an image or JPEG file. I hope that you have learned something new, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And please watch out for my next video. Stay healthy, safe, and mabuhay!